Ghost Diving Service here. We're at Gillette Creek Marina. We're at the very end of the Chris Craft. We have cleaned the starboard side and replaced the shaft sink. We have not cleaned the port side or replaced the shaft sink on that side just yet. We will be doing that. I am going to go ahead and show you the starboard side, which you know the water line paint. You absolutely need to get paint on this boat. You need to get it hauled out and get paint. There's the side we've cleaned. There's the water line on the side we haven't. Let's take a look at the rest of what we've cleaned. Okay, now we're going to swim over to the side that I haven't cleaned yet. And you're going to see me beat on the sink because it needs to be replaced.